Video, let us see how to implement binary search in Python. Before we go into the implementation part, let's first visualize how a binary search will look like. Here you can see we have here 10 elements. If you want to find the element 48, if you are using the linear search, you will compare 48 with all other elements individually. But since we are using the binary search, we're gonna split the array into parts. First, we will have to find the middle index. To do that, divide the total number of elements by 2. Here we get the middle index 5. The element present at the middle index is the 36. Compare the element at the middle index with the search. Here you can see that 36 is not less than 48. 48 is greater than the 36. Here you can see we can safely remove the elements at the left hand side. We can safely don't compare the elements at the left hand side, because you can see that the 2, 14, 22 and 28 is less than 48, which we don't have to compare it. We can only compare the elements that is on the right hand side, 48, 62, 75. So this is our new array. Now again find the middle index. Here you can see 5 divided by 2, which will be 2.5, and we can safely say the index will be 2. The element present at the index 2 is 75. Since 48 is less than 75, the new index will be 48 and 62. This is our new array. Since the match is found, we can simply return the index. Let us see how to implement this in Python. For example, let's define an array now. Array equal to, here we have 5 elements now. 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Let's also define a target value. Target equal to, we're gonna find the element 7. Let's see if we can do that. I'm gonna call a function now. Result equal to binary search. Let's create this function in a minute. This will take 2 parameters, the array and the target. Array, and this is our target. Let's define that function now. Def binary search, this will take 2 parameters. The first one is the array and the second one is the target that we want to find. After that, we first need to calculate the low index and the high index. So low index will be 0. This is the starting index of the array. The high index will be the number of elements present in the array. High equal to length of the array minus 1. Because we are starting from 0, we're gonna subtract 1 element. After we have the low and high index, we're gonna create a loop now. While low index is less than or equal to high index, we're gonna first calculate the middle value. Middle equal to the same procedure that we have seen earlier in the visualization part. Low plus high, this will give us the total number of elements divided by 2. After we get the middle element, first we check the element present at the middle element is our target. If the element present at the middle index is our target, we can just return the middle index. This is the best case. Or if the element present at the middle index is greater than the target, we can safely discard the elements on the right hand side. You can see at the image in the screen now. We don't compare the elements on the right hand side. If the element is greater than the target, we can safely decrease the high index. High equal to middle minus 1. Else, if the element is not greater than target, that is the element is less than target, we can increase the low value. Low equal to middle plus 1. So this will be middle minus 1 and this will be middle plus 1. If none of the above conditions are satisfied, we're gonna return minus 1 because the element is not found. So this is it. This is how you implement a binary search with the help of Python. Let's run this file now. Before that, let's print the result. Let's save that file and run now. Here you can see that it returns 3. You can see in the terminal, we get a value 3. That means the 7 is located at the index 3. Here the 7 is present here. If we change the target to 9, we will get a index 4. Here you can see that the element is present at the 4th index. Let me change the print to something else. The value is located at the index. I'm gonna print the result now. Again, if you run this Python program now, you can see that we get a nicely formatted text. The value is located at the index 4. So this is how you implement a binary search in Python with the. So if you like this data structure series, give a like to this video so that I can make more videos on this. This is for this video and I will continue in the next one.